Murimu wa Kalazar watuthukire kaunti-ini ya Wajir muthini wa mwaka muhituku ucungirire ikuo cia andu 25 nginyagia riu andu angi makiria ma 600 makirikana mari na murimu uyu. Uhoro mweru uria wiyumiritie urauga ati andu 106 nio maramukira urigitani kumana na murimu uyu mathibitari-ini matiganite kaunti-ini ya Wajir. Thibitari cia level 4 ikionekana kugumirwo makiria kuona arwaru aingi maratwarwo kuu.
Over the past 3 months, the disease has claimed lives of 25 individuals, with more than 600 people reported to be infected. The outbreak has spread across 4 sub-counties in Wajir and Marsabit counties. As of now, 106 patients have been hospitalized in Wajir County.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria laboratory cia guthamathamio cia guteithiriria gutabania ithimi cia kurora murimu uyu, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Murimu Thoni augite thirikari nene ni kurekereria kigina niguo guteithiriria kuhurana na murimu uyu.
We have come together with development partners who have been able to assist us with drugs and other commodities. The National Treasury equally has released some funding that is going to assist us to add the commodities that are going to these counties.
Uteithio wa thirikari nene ukite riri thirikari ya kaunti ino itikirite ndiri na uhoti wa kuhurana na murimu uyu kuona namba ya arwaru ni ongererekete makiuga matire na wodi cia kuigana cia gukomwo ni arwaru ayothe.
Overwhelming local health services and health officials are facing challenges in managing the situation, which began in September and last year, prompting the county requesting for support from the national government.
Muthoni augite thirikari iri ciemba kuhurana na murimu uyu niguo kugiririria gutherema nginyagia kaunti-ini ingi.
The Ministry of Health again is working with the county government of Wajir, especially because of the numbers that have been welling up every other day, to respond to the outbreak and provide technical support. We already have numbers of medical personnel who are in Wajir County and Marsabit County to support the teams that are on the ground.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.